In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use customer accounts in Shopify. Whether you're just getting started with your online store or looking to enhance customer experience, having customer accounts can really make a difference. They not only streamline the purchasing process for your customers but also help you understand their buying habits better. So, let's jump right into how to set them up and utilize them effectively. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Shopify admin. Once you're there, look over at the left-hand menu and locate the Settings option. Go ahead and click on that. Settings are like the control center of your entire store, where you can tweak everything from shipping details to customer privacy settings. Within the Settings menu, select Checkout. This is where the magic happens, as it's directly related to how your customers will purchase products on your site. Scroll through the checkout options until you reach the Customer Accounts section. Here, you'll find three options: Accounts are disabled, Accounts are optional, and Accounts are required. If accounts are disabled, customers can't create accounts, so let's dive into the other two options. Choosing Accounts are optional means customers can decide if they want to create an account during checkout, giving them the flexibility to either check out as a guest or keep their ordering history organized with an account. On the other hand, selecting Accounts are required means that customers must sign up before they can buy anything. This can be beneficial for businesses that deal with memberships or have a loyalty program in place. Once you've selected the option that best fits your business needs, don't forget to save your changes by clicking the Save button at the top right of the screen. You want to ensure that all the adjustments are stored and ready for customer use. With customer accounts enabled, let's explore how these accounts benefit both you and your customers. First off, when customers create an account, they can enjoy a faster checkout experience in the future as their shipping and payment information is stored securely. They also gain the ability to view their order history and track their purchases anytime. From your perspective as the merchant, having customer accounts helps gather useful insights into your customers' purchasing behaviors. You can tailor marketing strategies accordingly and enhance customer relationships with targeted promotions. Remember to consider communicating with your customers about the availability and benefits of creating an account on your Shopify store. Adding a friendly note during the checkout process or in a welcome email after they place their first order can be an excellent way to encourage account creation. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in illustrating how to enable and effectively use customer accounts in Shopify. It's a valuable feature that enhances user experience by providing convenience and personalization, making it a win-win for both you and your customers. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos for more Shopify tips and tricks.